Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Texas Brew and Barbecue. My name is Ty Sherrill and I am your official backyard ambassador for recteq. Today we are making some smoked pecan pumpkin pie bars. That was a mouthful. Smoked pecan pumpkin pie bars. These are gonna be great. I'm not the dessert guy. Christy usually does the desserts around here, but I am gonna try my hand at it today. And we are smoking these on, it's the Bullseye Deluxe. And that bad boy is gonna be running at about 350 degrees today. So let's get started with this. The first thing that we are gonna do is we are gonna take some Gingersnaps. We are gonna take these and we're gonna put them in our food processor, just like so. And we are gonna pulse these up. This is gonna be our crust, our base layer to these pumpkin pie bars. All right, we melted our butter right here on the Bullseye. So we are gonna take this butter and we are going to put it in with the Gingersnaps here. All right, we got our crust nice and fine. It's pulsated down with that melted butter and those Gingersnaps. So we're gonna take our baking sheet, non-stick spray. There we go. Now, still got some steam coming off of this. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it right here in the bowl. So now that we have our base in here, we're gonna even it out. So we have the recteq set at 350 and we're gonna put this back on, or we're gonna put this on the recteq for about, I don't know, 5-7 minutes, something like that. We're gonna infuse some of the smoke into this and we are burning the recteq Ultimate Blend pellets inside that Bullseye. So you're gonna press it down like that, boom. Now we're gonna go in the recteq. While that's going on in there, we're gonna go ahead and do our mixture. We have 2 eggs, stick my thumb right through it. 3/4 cup of sugar, boom. Pumpkin mix, it's a 15-ounce can, that pumpkin mix in there. Evaporated milk, gotta keep this beautiful board clean. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And now we are gonna mix all that up. And this is gonna be our filling. I don't know how I feel about doing desserts. This is different for me. All right, we let the crust cool down, so now we're gonna take our filling and we are gonna just pour it inside just like this. Look at that. Make sure you get a nice even coat all the way around. It's going back on the recteq for another 20 minutes. Brown sugar in a bowl, and then we're gonna put our pecans in here as well. And then all you're gonna do is just mix the sugar and the pecans together like so, just to make a mess everywhere, just to break up that brown sugar because it likes to clump up. Look at that beautiful color. So it's not quite done yet. It hasn't cooked through all the way yet, and that's okay, because we're just gonna go on top with this brown sugar and the pecans, and all you're gonna do is just sprinkle right on top like so. All right, another 20 minutes and we should be good to go. Would you look at this? We've got the brown sugar and the pecans and the pumpkin, that Gingersnap crust. Right? I can't talk because my mouth's watering because I want to take a bite of this. So here we go. Look at that. I'm a baker now. I can bake stuff. That's a must do. That is a must do right there. Until the next episode, cheers.